Story time of how I almost died. Anyways, I was biking with my friend, and we were going down a hill. The hill was pretty steep and had a fast turn. At this time, my bike brake was broken. Well, one of them. Anyways, so we start going down the hill like normal, then I try to hit my brakes to slow down since I was going super fast down the hill and I had to turn. For some reason, my brakes gave out and I flew into the bushes. By the way, this literally happened today, so as I'm riding this, my face is still bleeding. Anyways, back to the story. So as I'm flying into the bushes, my bike goes over my head and I tumble down the hill. Keep in mind, the hill had a bunch of those spiky plants, so yeah. I ended up with a split cheek and a bunch of splinters. By the way, if the bike hit my head, I could have literally died. Anyways, bye Glitz, and me out.